Hi, this is Alexander from Dean Team Golf Carts, and I'm going to show you how to check your dipstick. This right here is the dipstick. All you're going to do is pull it out, and you're going to want to wipe it off first and stick it back in to get an accurate reading. And then you're going to read the lines right here. This one's a little dirty. And look for the high and low, and if it's in between those lines, you're good. And then you're going to want to put it back in there right. We put 15W40 weight oil in these golf carts, and depending on your manufacturer, these dipsticks will be in a different location and or may look different.